With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question is given: a body of mass 3 kg moving with velocity this 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 3 k cap meter per second collides with another body of mass 4 kg moving with a velocity 3 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 3 k cap meter per second. The two bodies stick together after collision. The velocity of the composite bodies. Here we have to find the bodies stick together after collision. So the velocity of the composite bodies. Now here we can write two bodies given here. So we can write mass of a body m1 is equal to 3 kg and initial velocity of first body means v1 is equal to 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 3 k cap meter per second. And now here mass of second body m2 is equal to 4 kg and initial velocity of second body is here v2 equal to 3 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 3 k cap meter per second. Now here these are two bodies given. Now two bodies stick together after collision. Let the velocity of the composite body is v. So using conservation of momentum according to law of conservation of linear momentum, so we can write now law of conservation of linear momentum before collision equal to total momentum after collision. So here this is according to law of conservation of linear momentum. So we can write m1 v1 plus m2 v2 equal to m1 plus m2 v vector. This is as the two bodies stick after collision, and this v velocity, let the v velocity of the composite body. This is the composite body of velocity. Now put the value. So we can write m1 is 3 and velocity is 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 3 k cap, and here m2 is given 4. Velocity is 3 I cap 2 j cap minus 3 k cap is equal to m1 plus m2, that means 3 plus 4. This is the two bodies stick after collision. So here after calculating it will come 6 I cap plus 9 j cap plus 9 k cap plus 12 I cap plus 8 j cap minus 12 k cap equal to 7v. Now here after calculating it is equal to 18 I cap plus 17 j cap minus 3 k cap equal to 7v, and this velocity will come 1 by 7 18 I cap plus 17 j cap minus 3 k cap. So this is the velocity of the composite body. Now here check the option. That means second option is right. This is solution of this question, guys. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.